Qualitrol is the world's trusted leader in repairs, support, remanufactured parts, and migrations for the automation industry, from HMI, drives, and PLCs to robotics and controls. Qualitrol International understands how critical it is to keep your machines running smoothly to avoid downtime and unnecessary risk to your operations. Our repair services are world-class. We have rush repairs with parts in stock. Our IPC certified technicians can do complete failure repair analysis with turnaround times in days, not weeks, and it all comes with a 2-year warranty. We can replace touchscreens, backlights, bezels, and communication ports for all major brands such as Rockwell Automation, GE, Siemens, Allen Bradley, Computer Dynamics, Emerson, and more. Our experienced team gives you much more than automation parts, modules, and systems. We continue to support you after the sale of our products. As an Emerson premier distributor and authorized repair division, our support services are unmatched. They include 24/7 phone support, on-site technical support, obsolete and end-of-life upgrades, and an extensive resource library. Qualitrol operates a clean test and rebox program that ensures the parts you have work and are packaged accurately. We'll test each board, make repairs as needed, clean and rebox each part, and then return them to you with a 2-year warranty. Over time, even popular product lines get discontinued. Qualitrol's remanufactured parts are as close to factory new as you can get. We use the same process on remanufactured parts as we do on our factory certified repairs. OEM components tested on factory test units and packaged like new. Don't be fooled by people who say they have new or new surplus parts that come from the manufacturer. These parts have been sitting on someone's shelf for years. They typically have failing components, dead batteries, or out-of-date firmware. Every company needs a migration path for aging and obsolete control systems. Don't wait for a failure in critical systems to migrate. Our 7-stage process begins with a discovery visit from one of our engineers to understand your systems. Next, we provide a detailed project plan that includes program conversion, panel layout, equipment delivery, on-site startup, and commissioning. The final step brings training to operators and maintenance teams. Our 7-stage process streamlines each step, so going from older systems to newer products is seamless and cost-effective. Qualitrol International, we've got you covered. Contact us today